So what if you can watch YouTube tutorials right inside of your Photoshop? For instance, this particular tutorial over here, you can just be watching it right over here and you'll be following the steps and the procedure all inside of Photoshop. You can pause it anytime, or you can even open it up so that you can see it clearly and you follow every step of the tutorial right inside of Photoshop. Yes, that's possible, and you can do this with this plugin from PiXimPerfect. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the plugin, how to use it, and the most useful case scenarios that you can use it. Let's get into the video. All right, so first off, to get the plugin, you just head over to the link in the description and it will bring you over here. So there are two ways to get the plugin. The first one is to come to this website and you can click on download. It's free for Mac and Windows users. Also, if you have Adobe Creative Cloud, you can come to stocks and marketplace over here and then you can search for PiXimPerfect. So once you search for PiXimPerfect, you're going to see PiXimPerfect Player over here. I've already installed it, right? So if you click on PiXimPerfect Player, you see it says installed over here because I've already installed it. But if you've not, you just click on install and within seconds it installs into your Photoshop directly. It's very simple. If you download it from the website too, all that you need to do is extract the file and then load it inside of Photoshop. It's pretty straightforward as well. Once that is done, you just come to Photoshop, you go to plugins, and then you can see PiXimPerfect Player over here. You click on that and then it is going to open for you. Now, the first case scenario is how you even get the tutorial to be here. So for instance, if you want to watch any of my tutorials, all that you need to do is head over to my YouTube page and maybe this particular tutorial. This is the one that we are watching. Okay, so you can just click on that. And then you go and copy the URL over here. So you copy that, you go to your Photoshop, and then you come to the link ID over here, and then you paste it. Once you click on this load video, it is going to load the video for you. It's that pretty simple. Right from there, you can click on play, and then you can start following your tutorials. It's pretty simple like that. You can even make it bigger if you drag it and place it over here, or if you don't want to see it anymore. So if I play from here, you can see the tutorial is playing and then I'll be following right from here. With this, you don't need any second screen or you don't need to be going back into Chrome and coming back into Photoshop. You can pause and play it over here. If this is distracting, maybe you want to focus, you can just head over to the top right here and click on the collapse to icons and then it collapse it just like that. You can also drag it. You open it like this and then you can drag it from the layer panels and bring it right over here as well. Is that pretty simple? Now you might be thinking this works for only tutorials, but no, you can even play like music and any other video. So all that you need to do is head over to YouTube. Maybe you want to be listening to a podcast whilst you are editing. So you click on that. So you open that podcast, you head over to the URL and then you copy it, come back to your Photoshop and then you can paste it right over here and click on load. You'd realize that this loads up right over here. Once you click on it, you can start listening to it. Pretty simple like that, right? And then you'll be doing your design or doing your tutorial. One thing is, whilst this is playing, you can even collapse it like this, but it will still be playing in the background whilst you're doing your thing. Whenever you want to bring it back, you just head over to plugins, PiXimPerfect, and click on it and you see it's already playing in the background. Now, I genuinely think this is a very smart plugin because if you are someone who doesn't have an external screen, practicing from tutorials is very, very difficult. So with this plugin, you are sorted. There are even more to it. If you go to the three lines over here, you can check your playlist, right? So these are playlists from PiXimPerfect themselves, but you can as well favorite a video. If this podcast or if this tutorial is something that you want to be watching, you can favorite it by clicking on the favorite icon over here. And when you go to your favorite, you're going to see your favorite videos over there. So this one, let's try to add another one like this video. So you favorite it and then you go to the three lines here, you go to favorite and you can see all the videos that you favorited over here. Also, if you click on the watch on YouTube, it takes you directly to YouTube. So you click on allow and then it opens directly in YouTube for you. Yeah, basically that's it for this plugin. You can now watch your favorite tutorial while following step by step right inside of Photoshop. Let me know what you think about this plugin. I think it's still in the early stages and hopefully later on they would be able to add like a couple of things where you can create your own playlist and other stuff like that. But even with this one, it's already amazing. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Also, don't forget to check this particular AI retouching tool that will save you hours of retouching and editing your pictures. Thank you so very much for sticking around to watch this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's Innocent here, and bye.